on behalf of the state of Meghalaya as the government of Meghalaya to discuss three very important and crucial issues. Uh, Assam and Meghalaya in the past have demonstrated that we are very open to discuss different issues. Problems will always be there, challenges will always be there. What is important is that we must discuss and try and find solutions to the problems. Today is another example of that commitment that is shown both by the Assam government and the government of Meghalaya. As stated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, when it comes to the project of Khulsi, it's a project which is clearly a win-win situation for both the states. Whether it is power production, whether it is irrigation, or whether it's development of tourism. In all three fronts, and many more, both the states will benefit. And hence, we have decided, with the condition, of course, that the people living in those areas will be taken into confidence. Discussions will be held with them, and we'll find a way forward on how we could take this project ahead. And today, in principle, both the governments have decided that we will work together as also a symbol of our Assam and Meghalaya friendship, that we will try and move this project forward. And in principle, we have decided that the work will start, starting with consultation with the people living in those areas.
Assam state go back, Meghalaya state go back, Himanta Biswa Sarma go back, Congress Sharma go back, Khulsi Dam na lage, Khulsi Dam go back, Khulsi Dam na lage, Khulsi Dam go back, Assam Sarkar hi, Meghalaya Sarkar hi, Assam Sarkar hi, Meghalaya Sarkar hi, Himanta Biswa Sarma hi, Congress Sharma